Hello, this is Arthur Richardson with Lennar Homes here at Lakewood National Golf Club. Today we'll be looking at the updates for the veranda condos that we have available. Currently we are selling out of 3 different buildings in our community, all under construction. Building numbers 16, 18, 19, and 20. Starting with building number 16, that should be completed by the end of July. We only have 1 home left to sell here. It is a 2nd floor Vermilion floor plan with an excellent southern exposure overlooking the lake and the golf course beyond. Listed at $251,000. We do have some really huge incentives because this building is the earliest availability for closing. Our next opportunity for veranda will be building number 18, which has close and easy walking distance to all the amenities, including the golf pro shop, the clubhouse, the fitness center, the resort style swimming pool, and also the poolside bar and grill restaurant. Along with being close to the amenity center, building number 18 is our first building with the brand new floor plans that we're going to be offering with the new open kitchens. So from the original plan, we're basically removing the wall in the foyer on the kitchen, which is going to open up the entire home right when you walk in. In building number 18, we are down to just 2 units, both on the 2nd floor and both Vermilion 2 floor plans. So this is unit 1822. And we're overlooking hole number 1 tee boxes on Piper with a little bit of landscaped area, and you can see off in the distance we have the golf pro shop, the driving range. But right in front of us, we're kind of looking at hole number 1, a couple of the tee boxes in the lake beyond. Now looking at the 2nd Vermilion, unit 1825, listed at the same price, $252,000. This one's just going to get you a little bit further to the right, overlooking the lake a little bit more, opens up with a little bit less of the landscaping so you can actually see out to the golf pro shop, the clubhouse, the pool, and everything in the background. But still overlooking hole number 1 tee boxes on Piper with an excellent view of the lake and the driving range beyond. So just those 2 Vermilions are still left available in building number 18, looking at a September or October closing. Next, building number 19 is already half sold out. This building is expected to be completed by the end of November. In building number 19, we still have 2 available ground floor D'Angelo floor plans. Your view, you're still looking at hole number 1 on the Piper course with a couple of the tee boxes, a little bit of landscaping on the left-hand side of the building. On the right-hand side, it opens up a little bit further down and you're starting to see the beginning of the fairway of hole number 1 on Piper. And with the lake and driving range beyond. And finally, building number 20 that is now released for sale. The entire building is available for sale. The expected completion will be February of 2021. So you can now reserve your spot, 10% deposit, and you still have an excellent view of the fairway of hole number 1 on Piper with the lake and the golf course beyond. If you have any other questions or if you want more information, feel free to call, email, or text Arthur Richardson with Lennar Homes at 941-773-2792, or arthur.richardson@lennar.com. I am the sales representative for the terrace, the verandas, and the coach homes. I look forward to hearing from you soon.